Good morning students. Today I am taking problem number 5 of exercise 2.2 and it is simplify tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. See, these type of problems are important for chapter number 5 also, that is in the derivation and integration also these problems are important because first we have to simplify and then we can integrate or we can find the derivative. So the first step, important step for this is let x equals to tan theta. Then this expression will convert into root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. See this part. Root 1 plus tan square. You know what is the formula for 1 plus tan square? You have read this identity in the 10th class and in the 11th class. It is sec theta, sec square theta. First let me write sec square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So in the next part, it is tan inverse sec square theta will become sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. See this part. Instead of x, tan theta, so 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is sec square, identity. So sec square will be sec because root is there. So it is sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now we will convert this into the sine cos. So it is tan inverse 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon sine theta and cos theta. So if you write like this, it is 1 minus tan inverse, the LCM is cos theta. So it is 1 minus cos theta and here it is sine theta and cos theta. So this cos theta and cos theta cancel and it is tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta. Please see this part. Here the sec is converted as 1 upon cos, sine upon cos, that is tan, and this 1. Now we are taking LCM of numerator, it is cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta and sine theta upon cos theta. Cos cancel. 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta. So in the next step, it is tan inverse 2 sine square theta by 2 and it is 2 sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Sometimes a student asks me, sir, the trigonometry is there in the 12th class or not? So you see now this trigonometry is of 11th class only. You know the identity is 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sine square theta. But here it is theta, that's why theta by 2. Now this 2 and 2 cancel, sine and sine cancel. So it is tan inverse, एक sine बचेगा, sine theta upon cos theta. So it is tan theta by 2 and as I told you the identity, it is tan inverse of tan, sine inverse of sine, cos inverse of cos, that will be x only. So it is theta by 2. So it is half. Now from this part, we have done earlier also this type of problem. What will be the value of theta? So theta will be tan inverse x. So what is the simplest form of this? It is tan inverse x. And suppose it is asked, I will be explaining in the future classes. If it is asked that find the derivative of this, then it will be easy to find the derivative of this part instead of this one. That's why these type of sums are not only important in chapter number 2, but they are important in chapter number 5 also. So these type of problems, we will do more and more sums. I will explain you the next 6, 7, all these sums also. But you see that the trigonometry of class 11 is still there. It have its own effect. You can see. When I wrote here 1 minus cos theta, it is 2 sine square theta. If you know the trigonometry of 11th class, you will be convinced and you will understand this problem. Okay? So please revise all the formulas of the trigonometry of class 11th also to make your ideas more strong.